Hello everyone, this is me Sunipan. Once again I have come here to post our daily quiz. So let me tell you first that the reason for my absence for a month, I had a chronic low back pain. That is the reason I couldn't upload any videos, so I'm extremely sorry for that. But I'll keep on uploading as I used to do from now. So today I have come up with a new chapter that is called Cell, the unit of life. So without any delay, let's start our quiz session. So one who is new to our channel, he must know that our rules are very simple. I'll give you question and options. You will just have to give the correct answer, and if you can't, there's no problem. Then I'll give you the correct answer and the explanation regarding that answer. Okay, so let's start. So our first question from the cell is, read the following statement with respect to powerhouse of the cell. Statement A, they are easily visible under the microscope. Statement B, sites of aerobic respiration. Statement C, their number per cell remains same. Or statement D, ability to divide by fusion. Statement D, they have membrane infolding called cristae. And the question is, how many of the above statements are true? Okay, and the options are 2, 4, 1, 3. Okay, so you guys think and try to give your answer. Okay, I hope you guys have paused the video and given the answer, and let me go and give you the answer. So let's talk about the statements. Let's think. So in the question they are saying, read the following statement with respect to powerhouse. Powerhouse means they are talking about the mitochondria. Okay, that is I think clear for you. And they are easily visible under the microscope. No, actually they are not easily visible under the microscope, because the reason is they are very small and they require a deep staining. Only then it could be visible under the microscope. Okay, and this is second statement is sites of aerobic respiration. Absolutely correct. This is the site of aerobic respiration. Okay, and this is the reason for aerobic respiration, they get the energy. Okay, and option C, statement C, their number per cell remains the same. No, definitely not. Their number varies depending on the activities of the cell. Okay, so you can see this is incorrect, this is correct, this is again incorrect. Ability to divide by fission, definitely mitochondria divides by fission only, and they have membrane infolding called cristae. This is also correct. So how many statements above are correct? And this 1, 2, 3. So 3 statements are correct. So option 4 is the correct answer of this question. Okay, let's proceed towards our next question. Okay, so our next question is, select the incorrect match. Okay, option option 1, Camillo Golgi, that is Golgi bodies. Option 2, Robert Brown. Option 3, Fleming, that is chromatin. And option 4, George Palladay, that is mitochondria. Okay, this is a very simple question, and if you have read the NCERT thoroughly, you will definitely give this answer. Okay, let me give the answer. Okay, first Camillo Golgi. Camillo Golgi discovered the Golgi bodies, and Robert Brown, he is the nucleus, he discovered the nucleus. Fleming gave the name, found that in nucleus there are certain compact materials that is called chromatin, that Fleming said. And George Palladay, it's over here given mitochondria. This is incorrect. Okay, so the correct option is option 4 of the question number 2. And let me tell you, George Palladay is like not for mitochondria. Mitochondria, actually Benda, scientist Benda discovered this mitochondria. Okay, so let's proceed towards our next question. So next question is, 70S ribosomes and double-stranded circular DNA molecules are present in chloroplast, BGA, C mitochondria. And the options are A and B, option 2, C only, option 3, A and C only, option 4, A, B, C only. Students, give your answers. It's not that hard. So first of all, let's talk about the answer. Okay, I'm giving you the answers. Okay, 70S ribosome and double-stranded circular DNA. First of all, in mitochondria and chloroplast, you will find the 70S ribosomes over there, and they have a small standard circular DNA. Okay, and BGA means blue-green algae. They also are 70S ribosome and standard circular DNA. Okay, so the option is A, B, C. Okay, so option 4 is the correct answer. Let's proceed towards our next question. So let's come to our question number 4, that is arrange the different layers of plant cell wall A, B and C from outside to inside. So A is, this layer is capable of growth and diminishes gradually as the cell matures. B, form towards membrane side of the cell. C, this layer holds or glues different neighboring cells together. Okay, and the options are option 1 B, C, A, option 2 C, A, B, option 3 A, B, C, option 4 B, A, C. Okay, come on students, give your answer. I hope you have paused the video and given the answer. Let me give you the correct answer. Okay, so let's talk about this, the cell wall. So first of all, this layer is capable of growth and diminishes gradually as the cell matures. So which cell, which layer is it talking about? It is talking about the primary wall. It is talking about the primary wall. Okay, and form towards the membrane side of the cell. Okay, so this is talking about the secondary wall. Okay, it's not visible, hold on. It's talking about the primary wall. This is talking about the secondary wall. Okay, primary wall and the secondary wall. And C is, this layer holds or glues different neighboring cells together. So this is talking about the middle layer. Okay, so you have to arrange it from outside towards the inside. Okay, so the outside layer is this primary wall. Okay, so A is the primary wall, then secondary wall, and then the middle layer. So option 3 is the correct answer for the question number 4. I hope you have understood this. This question is a very nice question from the perspective of competitive exams and from the perspective of boards as well. So let's proceed towards our next question, that is question number 5. Okay, and the names of different cell organelles or structures are given below: mitochondria, cell wall, ribosomes, centrioles, microbodies, plastids, ER. ER means endoplasmic reticulum. How many of the above are present in both plant and animal cells? Okay, and the options are 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, give your answers, students. So see, check it out. Mitochondria, cell wall, ribosomes, centrioles, microbodies, plastid, endoplasmic reticulum, ER. So 7 options are given. So how many of the above present in both plant and animal cell? Let's talk about mitochondria. So mitochondria are present in both plant as well as animal cell. Okay, cell wall present in plant cells only. So this is cell wall doesn't it's not present in your animal cell, so it can't be. So ribosome are in both the plant and animal cells. And centrioles, this is again, centriole is for animal cells, not for plant cells. Microbodies, you will find this in both cells. Plastids you will only find in plant cells, and endoplasmic reticulum you will find this in both the cells. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So option 2 is the correct option for this question. Okay, let's proceed towards our next question. So this is question number 6. Select the odd one out with respect to functions of endomembrane system. Okay, so option 1 is formation of glycoproteins and glycolipids. Option 2, intracellular and intercellular digestion. Active rRNA synthesis. 4, synthesis of lipids and steroid. Okay, this is also a very conceptual question. You have to think. Okay, you have paused the video and given the answer. Let me give you the answer. So first of all, let's read this option once again. Read the question once again first. Select the odd one out with respect to the functions of endomembrane system. This is talking about the endomembrane system. What is a endomembrane system? Endomembrane system is a system where they are interconnected, means they depend on each other. Okay, and that is VEGRAL, VEGRL. Sorry, VGERL. Oh. VGERL. Okay, this is. So VGERL, what is that? One, V stands for vacuole, G for Golgi complex, ER for endoplasmic reticulum, AL for lysosome. So their functions are interconnected with each other. So with all these organelles, they comprise the endomembrane system. Okay, so let's go towards our options. So first option is formation of glycoproteins and glycolipids. Okay, this is the function of Golgi bodies. So definitely they represent endomembrane system. Then intercellular and intracellular and intercellular digestion, and that occurs in lysosome as well. Then synthesis, then option 3 is active RNA synthesis. Active RNA synthesis, this occurs in nucleolus. So definitely this is the odd one, and again synthesis of lipids and steroid, this occurs in your Golgi bodies only. So the option 3 is the correct option for the question number 6. Okay, now let's proceed towards our next question, that is question number 7. Let me adjust this. Okay, so question number 7 is, cell is the fundamental structural and functional unit of life of all living organisms. As option A, statement A, it's capable of independent existence. B, it has a various organelles to ensure independent living. Option C, it can perform the essential functions of life. Okay, and the options are only B, option 2 B and C, option 3 C only, option 4 A, B, C. Give your answer, students, and then I'll come and explain that. There is nothing to explain in this question. This is a very straightforward question. Why it is like your fundamental structure and functional unit cell in living organism, means you have to, these points are all denoting the cell or not. Let's talk about that. Okay, cell is the fundamental structural and functional unit of life of all living organism. Okay, as why it is the fundamental like living organism, why it is, so that is the reason. First of all, it's capable of independent existence, absolutely correct. And second is, it has a various organelles to ensure independent living. Definitely without those organelles it won't be able to live. And the next one, it can perform the essential function of life. Definitely 3 of them are correct. So option 4 is the correct answer, the correct option of the question 7. Let's proceed towards our next question, and that is, who among the following advanced the cell theory with his conclusion that cell could only come from other cell? Option 1, Theodor Schwann, Anton von Leeuwenhoek. Option 2, option 3, Rudolf Virchow. Option 4, Matthew Sladen. Okay, give your answer. This is a very good question once again, and very good question in the sense of like this is quite tricky. You need to know 2 things to answer this question. Okay, let me give you the answer, and the correct answer of this question is option 3. Why it is that? What is saying at the last conclusion that the cells could only come from pre-existing cell. What Rudolf Virchow said, omnis cellula is cellula. Okay, that means cell exists, means cell comes from pre-existing cell. Okay, so that means over here what is saying, cells could only come from other cell. That means what Rudolf Virchow said, that is the thing that advanced the cell theory. Omnis cellula is cellula means cell comes from pre-existing. So that is the reason. The option would be Rudolf Virchow. Okay, so let's proceed towards our next question, and the question number 9. Okay, nucleus is absent in mammalian erythrocytes, sieve tube, amoeba, bacteria, companion cell. Okay, and the options are A and D, option 1, option 2 A, B and E, option 3 A, D, E, option 4 A, B and D. Okay, this is again a very good question. Okay, let me give you the answer. So nucleus is absent. First of all, mammalian erythrocyte, as you know, mammalian erythrocyte means like RBC that carries oxygen. It doesn't have nucleus. It doesn't have nucleus because if it would have nucleus, then it wouldn't be enough or sufficient place to carry oxygen. That is the reason mammalian erythrocyte doesn't contain any nucleus. Okay, then the sieve tube cell. So you know that sieve tube cell has no nucleus. It is the nucleus of a companion cell that controls the sieve tube cells. Okay, so this too is This two doesn't have any nucleus. Okay, so A and B is absolutely correct. Here you can find there are only two options which possess this two, A and B. So now you have to differentiate between E and D. Now it became very simple. So the companion cell, again I said just prior to that, the companion cell's nucleus control the sieve tube cell. That means companion cell have nucleus. So only one option left, that is bacteria. So bacteria doesn't have any nucleus. Okay, nucleus is a double membrane bound system. Bacteria doesn't have any double membrane bound system. That means it doesn't possess any nucleus. Nucleus is absent. So option 4 is the correct option for the question number 9. Let's talk about our next question and the last question of this quiz session. Okay, the fluid nature of the membrane helps to perform functions like A, cell growth and cell division, B, formation of intracellular function, C, endocytosis. And the options are 1 only C, option 2 B and C only, option 3 A and C only, option 4 A, B and C only. Okay, let's go to those options that were given. Here it is. The fluid nature of membrane helps to perform functions like, first of all, if the membrane is in fluid nature, then it will definitely help to grow and to cell divides. Okay, so that is the fluid that helps to grow the cell. Okay, and when the growth occurs, then only it divides. So definitely A is correct. And formation of intercellular junctions. Okay, from definitely if it is a fluid in nature, it will help to facilitate a lot of ions, a lot of things that will cross this junction. So definitely it will help for the formation of intercellular junction. Inter means between the two cells. Okay, so this is also correct. And endocytosis, definitely endocytosis is also correct in case of fluid nature. I must tell you what is the endocytosis. Endocytosis is a process where like a cell actually engulfs any particle from the outside. That is called endocytosis. Endo means to eating it up. Okay, endo, inside it, to take up inside the cell. Okay, so this is also correct. So let's go towards our option, and you can check in option 4. In option 4 there are A, B, C, three options are there. So option 4 is the correct option of the question number 10. Okay, so our quiz session of cell is nearly complete. Now we will next day we'll do the biomolecules. For the time being, I must tell you and suggest you keep on studying, as we still don't know when this need will occur, and there is no news of application form, and there is no announcement from our HRD minister Ramesh Porokial. And never listen to him. It's my personal suggestion, because last year we have had a lot of trouble. So keep on studying, it will definitely occur. Be positive and stay safe, stay home. Thank you and bye.